It's possible that XRP Ripple will soon be worth $60,000. This is what cryptocurrency experts think will happen. Really cool, isn't it? But how is this even possible? What happened all of a sudden? How the Ripple v. SEC trial turns out is very important. Not many people really get how important this event is. XRP Ripple coin is finally ready to take off after 5 years of growth. Let's break it down in more detail. You will be amazed by this movie. We should start right away. Nota bene, there are more and more reports that the SEC may soon drop its lawsuit against Ripple. This puts XRP in the middle of another major legal change. People who use cryptocurrencies now have more hope for the future after James Murphy, a lawyer also known as Meta Lawman, brought attention to a big change in how the SEC regulates cryptocurrencies. The latest source of this speculation is that the SEC's case against Coinbase has changed its mind. At first, SEC Chair Gary Gensler was adamantly against allowing an interlocutory appeal. This would have given a higher court a chance to think about important legal problems before the trial was over. The SEC has chosen not to fight Coinbase's request, which is a surprise. This means that its method to litigation might be looked at again, which could have an immediate effect on Ripple. Not long ago, Fabio Zuccari brought up an important question. Will there be a legal answer for XRP soon? More and more people are thinking that the SEC might not want to set a legal standard when it comes to digital assets, and this tweet backs that up. Murphy said that if Coinbase's case is accepted by the Second Circuit Court of Appeals, the SEC would have to make it clear what it thinks about whether cryptocurrencies traded on secondary markets are securities. If it didn't want to risk a broad decision that could hurt its more thorough approach to enforcement, the SEC might try to find a way out before that happens. XRP Captain brought attention to a big change which made this idea even more popular. On the SEC's main website, references to the Ripple case were quickly taken down. Murphy explained that some people see this as a sign that the agency is about to drop the case, but the case is still going on because Ripple's appeal brief is still due on April 16. However, lawyers like Jeremy Hogan say that the SEC could decide to drop the case in April or May, especially if it changes how its leadership is set up. Former SEC counsel Coy Garrison has also spoken out on the issue. He has said that cases from the Gensler era should be dropped because digital assets are not securities. His comments are important because they suggest that some people in the regulatory world believe the SEC's legal attacks on cryptocurrency projects like Ripple are not the right way to go. Jack the Rippler agreed with this point of view and stressed Garrison's claim, making the point that the SEC's aggressive approach under Gensler is getting more attention. The SEC may be trying to find a way out without getting in trouble with the law for good if its recent moves show a change in direction. Best Invest says that XRP is no longer an investment. The market is getting better as a whole. Once the lawsuit between the SEC and Ripple is over, XRP usage is likely to go through the roof. In fact, Ripple won a big part of the battle when Judge Annalisa Torres said in July 2023 that selling XRP on secondary markets is not the same as buying or selling stocks. Because of this important decision, XRP is already in a better legal situation than most other cryptocurrencies. Now that the SEC's case isn't as strong, what this means for XRP's market success and adoption could be huge. Murphy also said that since there wasn't a confirmed chair for the SEC yet, it is still possible to decide on important cases of law. Commissioners Hester Pierce and Mark Oweda, who are both known for supporting crypto, have the power to vote on settlements or dismissals. The case could be dropped soon if a settlement is made or if political pressure builds against Gensler's strategy of enforcing the law too much. There is a lot at stake for the XRP community. Also, when all XRP users sold their coins, it made it possible for more institutions to start using it. Investors' trust has grown, and the company is back on U.S. markets. The cryptocurrency world is paying close attention to Ripple because it looks like it will go up in value. But this isn't a sure thing. One thing is certain, people who own XRP are getting ready for what could be the last part of this long court battle. Things are getting easier for the SEC when it comes to regulating cryptocurrencies, and Ripple could win soon. It looks like XRP is only beginning. Some experts are making amazing guesses about where Ripple will go in the future. I promise you that what's about to happen will shock you. In the cryptocurrency world, big statements are nothing new, but the amount of guesswork about XRP's future has reached a level that has never been seen before. Take a look at a Monica's sure of himself tweet. There is no way to stop what is about to happen. For many people in the XRP community, this is more than just a statement. That saying is popular. There is no longer any question about what will happen with XRP. Now that the legal fight seems to be over, the project seems ready to move forward. Some people think this will cause prices to go up by a lot. There is a lot of talk about XRP's potential, with predictions running from cautiously optimistic to truly amazing. Levi believes that XRP is moving in a way that can't be stopped. Some people might think this is crazy, but when you look at XRP's history and how important it is to the world financial system, things start to make sense. Timing is just as important as technology when it comes to the idea of an unbeatable XRP. As more people use cryptocurrencies and banks accept them, XRP could become an important part of foreign payments and money transfers. This could cause the price to rise. There are even crazier predictions coming up. The tweet from Steph about how XRP got to $1,000. An unknown crypto pal's comment about XRP's rise from $2.50 to $2,500 agrees with those who see it as a game changer in the world of digital currencies rather than a risky investment. Some people worry about more than just the next few days or weeks. It has to do with the long-term change that XRP might bring about. Although there are no rules in place, analysts like XRP Dragon are also guessing that an XRP could reach $10,000. Even though these statements were way too optimistic, they have warned that the climb might take longer than some experts think. There was a lot of excitement when crypto-charged COO Matthew Breenan said that XRP could hit $100 to $1,000 in the next 10 years. Why does Breenan put 50% of his own money into XRP? Because he believes so strongly in its future. Over the years, he has saved up XRP and now sees it as the most important part of his plan. Or at least 5 to 10 years from now, not just now. He says, I understand how valuable it is that XRP lets you send money across countries in seconds for as little as 1 cent and no fees. I think it's better to talk about this in terms of Ethereum and Bitcoin. Ethereum has already made a name for itself by hitting a market cap of $500 billion. Bitcoin is the only other cryptocurrency to have reached a market cap of more than $1 trillion. In terms of XRP, has already gone through huge price rises, rising 8, 5, 7, 7, 3% from its all-time low.